안녕하세요, I'm your friend, Rice Power. Flavor is everything, but if a dish can go beyond the taste and touch your heart, there is nothing better. Somewhere between cooking and art. Keep your music. I might not look like it, but I really enjoy going to art galleries. What I mean is, art can often give a deeper meaning to food. And there are actually quite a few dishes that were born from that connection. Marinating it for 12 hours would be great, but honestly, I'm hungry now, so let's just go with the 40 minutes and call it a day. It's best if you use a colorful and many kinds of rice, but at home, sweet potato alone is more than enough. It's not so much about cooking in the oven, it's more about letting the fat render out. And here it is, the star of today's dish, the lotus leaf. The lotus flower blooms out of mud, yet remains pure and beautiful. Symbol of rising above hardship and chaos, and finding beauty and meaning through it all. And the fragrance, earthy burst of aroma, boom. It's totally fine, just cut up the small piece and use that. It's really big. There are small air holes in the leaf, so if I place it this way, the moisture escapes. But if I flip it over, it traps more moisture. I like to let some of moisture out. Plus, it helps render out some of the fat from the chicken too. Oh. Here is lotus leaf sweet potato rice and steamed chicken. Spicy, sweet, salty, aromatic, it's all there. The fragrance of lotus leaf goes so well with sweet potato rice. And when I top it with a bit of spicy soy glazed chicken, oh, it's perfect. But also just a little bit special. It already smells amazing, but the real explosion of aroma hits the moment I open the steamer. Even the chicken breast is delicious. That's when you know it's game over. Started soft and slow, now cool and strong. Drop the beat. Have it with your country's meat dishes. Guaranteed. That's it for this one. Piece of cake, right? Next one is super easy. Here is Korean spicy raw fish mix and tofu salad. Light touch, big flavor. This one's just like that. These two dishes have something in common. Did you catch it? Yes, they both pair amazingly with beer. It just washes all the stress away. Today felt like I was stuck in the mud, but now it feels like a flower just bloomed. 건배. See you in next video. Have a great day. Your subscription and likes give me power.